In this experiment, we'll use the apparatus shown to study the effect of length and thickness on the resistance of a wire. First, connect the battery to the thin eureka wire via an ammeter. Connect a voltmeter to the circuit. Use one end of the connecting wire as a sliding contact to vary the length of the wire across which the voltage is measured. Record pairs of voltmeter and ammeter readings. Then, calculate the resistance of different lengths of wire and plot a graph of resistance against the length. Now, repeat the experiment by using the thick eureka wire. Again, vary the length of the wire and measure pairs of voltmeter and ammeter readings. Then, use the data to plot a graph of resistance against the length of the wire. Use the graphs to find out how the resistance of the wire is affected by its length and thickness.